Good morning, students. How are you all? I'm fine. So, today we are going to start with our new lessons. So, instead of wasting our much more time, we are going to start. But before starting, I just wanted to tell you that today we are going to learn something interesting topic in our PowerPoint. You all might have understood what is PowerPoint, how we are going to start with the PowerPoint, and how we can use in both the ways, that is mobile as well as through the laptop. Before we begin with the same, I just wanted to remind you that students, till now we have completed our 4 lessons. According to the 4 lessons, you have to upload your notes on your drive. Don't forget to scan it and upload it in your drive. Okay? There are many students those who are still writing their notes, but till now it's high time you should have submitted your notes as earliest. So let us begin for the lesson. So shall we start? So today we are going to start with our lesson, that is animating text and object. So before we start, I just wanted to show you a slideshow. But what is a slideshow? So at the bottom we are having a slideshow option. So let us begin. So this is my slideshow where I am going to show you the slides whichever I have prepared. But what exactly the slideshow means? A slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information or idea presented on a slides. A slideshow enforces the ideas, comments, solution or suggestions presented in the slides. So what is a slideshow exactly? The slideshow is nothing but the on-screen presentation of information. So whatever you are going to do in your presentation, the things we are going to see it in our on screen. So that is nothing but your slideshow. So now we are going to learn an animation effect. So what is an animation? So the ability to move the object like text, graphics, characters, logos, etc. in all directions of these slides is called animation. So now we are going to start with the animation. But one more thing I want you to know, that to move an item from the custom animation list, select the object and click on remove button in the custom animation pane. So how to remove it and how to add it, we are going to learn it. So let us further start for the same. So this is my slide. Suppose our first topic is animation effect. So I want to give an animation effect. So I am going to show you by doing the animation effect along with you. So this is my topic. So in this topic, what all things we are going to learn? So my first point in learning is, first point is there for learning. What is it? What is animation? So what is animation? So what is animation, students? Yes, just now I said the ability to move the object. What is it? Ability to move the object like text, then graphics, then logos in all the directions is nothing but your animation. Now when we can animate the text or object in a presentation by applying a sound effect or visual effect including the movements. So animation is very helpful when we wish to focus on important points. So now suppose I want to focus on few important points. So we are going to start with the animation now. To make a specific change to the movement for the text and object, open the custom animation taskbar. So where is this custom animation taskbar? So we'll just go to animation. In animation taskbar we are having custom animation. So when I click on custom animation, a window appears of custom animation window appears on my right hand side. So let us just increase it. Now I want to give the animation effect. So for giving the animation effect, so first we have to select the text. So what I want to do, I want to add the animation effect. So just go and click on the add effects. As you click on the add effects, click on the effect whichever you want. Suppose this is my effect, in that I am choosing blinds. So can you hear any sound? Now students, see here. Now I want to give the effects to my, first I'll show you how to give an effect to my slide. So for giving an effect, suppose this is my first slide. So just go in the animation. So here I have selected no transition. So no transition means what? There will be no slideshow. So for that I want to give a slideshow. Which way I want? Suppose I want in this way. So this is my slideshow, and for this slideshow I can give a sound effect. So how to apply a sound effect? Next to that transition to slide, I am having a transition sound. So for this, giving a transition sound. Suppose I am giving this sound, but how I want? I want it slow, fast. The speed also can be decided by me. So I want it slow. So this is my slow. Speed is very slow. So how to say apply all? When I'll say apply all, the same effect will be applied to all my slides. I'll show you the slideshow now. Let us go for the slideshow. This is my slideshow. When I click on next, so next also will come with the same effect. Okay, now let us give an effect to my text. So for giving the effect to my text, first of all I want to select the text. So as I'll select the text, I'll go to the animation tab. In animation tab, I'll go to the custom animation. So for giving the custom animation, first I have to select the text, then go to the add effects. Suppose I want to add this effect in the form of a blind. So this is my blind. First let us give it to our title. Then I'll click on the what is the next. I'll just select the next. I want to spin it. So this way I can give, even I can give the Now I'll show you, these are the two ways I have shown. So now where to go and how to go, I'll show you the direction to go. Go in animation tab, then select custom animation, so these are our steps. So this is my steps, so I'll just give it to you in the different color. So as these are my steps, so I'm giving it in a color, different color. So let us give an animation effect to this animation, this one. So I'll give this effect as something different in the form of exit. But this is not looking good. I want it in the form of motion. No, but it is not looking good. The motion should be upward. So okay, now see here. Now this is my effect which I have given into my own way. So first I gave it to the animation. So what I'm doing, whenever I'm giving any effects to my text, the numbers are coming next to it. So this is number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'll show you the slideshow of it. Now as I have added, I'll just close this, or I'll just reduce it. I'll reduce the size of it. Now let us go for the slideshow. This is my first slide. So I want to start with my first slide. So this is my first slide, suppose. First slide. Second slide. Animation effect. Understood, students, how we are doing it? So this way you can give the animation effects to any of it. Now suppose I have given an effect to my animation slide, but I want to change it. So how to change? I will just select it and I will click on change, and for entrance I want to give this way. Now 1, 2, 3. Any of your slide, you can, whatever the effects you have given to our slide, that can be changed by selecting that particular text in the custom animation task pane and just click on the change. Okay, this is the method you are going to add the effects, and you can change it and even remove it. Understood how to do it? So this was our first point of lesson, that is animating text and object. So what is our second point? Adding a transition. So how we have added a transition? So first itself I mentioned you how to add a transition. Suppose I want to add the transition different for different slide. So what I'll do, I'll just select the first slide. I'll go to the animation tab. So whatever animations you want to do, students, don't forget you have to go to the animation tab. So now I want to add the transitions. So for adding the transitions, so firstly I have selected this transition with one sound. Now I am going to select the other slide with the different transition. So for this I can even change my sound effect, and I want it very slow. So let us see for the slideshow now from first. So here I have added the transitions to my slide. I'll go to the slideshow. First slide. This is my second slide. Understood, students, how to give the animation effect to the text, then how to add the transitions. Then even if you want to add the transitions, here we are having different varieties of transitions are there. You can use any of the transitions which is present in our transition to this slide. Okay. Now let us move for the next one is inserting a sound clips. So suppose I want to insert any kind of a sound clips to my slide. So first of all, let me insert a slide. Suppose I am inserting a title and text, next slide. So now in this I want to insert a sound clip. So for inserting a sound clip may include any kind of a music. A music or a sound effect can be added completely newly dimensioned to any presentation. Now here for this presentation I can add anything. So even you can add sounds in the form of a music or a special effect to give importance to a certain sound. So for adding it, for that is music or sound can be added from the files saved on your computer, internet or your own voice sound, or from the some CDs or ROMs. So you can add any kind of a sound. So how to add the sound? So for inserting a sound from a file, just go and select the slide where you want to add the sound. So this is my slide. Now after selecting the slide, what I want to do, select the insert tab. Now go to the insert tab. In insert tab, the last option is nothing but the media clips. What is it? Media clips. So here I suppose I want to add a slide. So how will I add my slide? So just click on the sounds command. So this is my sound command. So now what I want to do? I want to add the sound. So from where I want to add the sound? Suppose I want to add the sound from my file. Just go and click on the sound from the file. Now students, I just want to add one small audio clip to my slide. So how to add it? Just go select one slide. So this is my slide where I want to add it. So I'll just increase the size of it. So for adding it, I'll go to insert, and insert I'll be going to the media and the clips. In this media and the clips we are having an option as sounds. So just go and click on the sound. From where I want to insert the sound, I just wanted to insert the sound from sounds from the file. So I'll just select the sounds from the file option. Now I'll go into my music. So this is my music option. In this music option I want to add this Aarti, that is Ganpati's Aarti I am having now. So I'll just add on and I'll say okay. As I say okay, so here one speaker comes into my screen. So what will happen? If I'll double click on that sound, my song will start. Once I go and click on that sound again back, then that sound gets turned off. So now how you want all the effects the way you want it. So you can say here preview. Once you say preview, the song will start. I'll just click on it, the song will stop. Then the slideshow volume. So which volume you want? You want the slideshow volume as the medium. So it will be medium. So play the sound automatically. Do you want to play it automatically? It will play automatically. If you want to play when you click it, then when you click, then only it will start. So play across the slides. So as the slides will be moving, that way the song will be played. But when I want it to play when I click on the slide. So I'll just click on it. So maximum sound file is given. Now let us give an animation effect. So let us start from the first slide. So let us do the slideshow. This is my first slide. So for going to the next slide, just you have to click the arrow, next arrow. So now I am clicking, this is my sound effect which I have added. So when I have to just go and click on that sound. So my Aarti will start. Sukh karta dukh harta aarta vighnaachi. So I am just going to stop it. Now see, I have stopped that. So I'll just escape my slideshow. So this way I am going to add my slides to my sound effect to my slide. Now how to add a video to my slide. So I just want to insert a video to my slide. So let me show you that also, how to add a video to my slide. Suppose I am giving here topic as story, a short story. So I want to see that story in my slide. So how to see that story? So I want to insert a media to be played on my screen. So once I have selected this story, so go to insert for adding a story and go to a movie, and movie from where you want to add, I want to add it from my file. So go and click on the movie from file. So here I have selected the movie which I want to add on. So automatically, so I just wanted to adjust my screen of my story as per my requirement. So I'm just dragging it to watch a story in my slide. So I want my show to be there here. So once I double click on my slide, use your left mouse button for double clicking it and just say preview.
Subscribe.
So how will I add my video? Just go to the insert. Then after clicking on insert option, go to the movie option. Now from where I want to add it from my videos. So I'll just select my story. I'll just select automatically way. I'll adjust my screen so that that story has been visible to me properly. Okay, now by double clicking on it, my story will start. So let us start with the same.
Subscribe to Sonic Octave's Kids channel and press the bell icon to watch new cartoon videos.
So I'll show you the slideshow view. Now I have added my sound as well as I have added my video to my slideshow. So I'll begin the slideshow.
Subscribe to Sonic Octave's Kids channel and press the
The name of the story is Clever Fish.
So this is my story which I have added in my slide. So I'll show you a little
One
bit.
day, a fisherman was fishing to a river.
So understood students how to add a story to your story or any kind of a video
as
to your slides. So this was the way you're going to add. Now one more thing you can add on, that is you can add your own sound. So let me select a new slide. So now in this new slide, I'm going to show you how to add your own sound. Add your own sound. So how to add your own sound? So for adding your own sound, what to do? You just have to go and select the sounds. So where is that sound? Insert. So we are going to add something into my sound, into my slide. So whenever I want to add something to my slide, you have to always go in the insert tab. Okay. Now insert tab, go and click on the sounds. Now here they have asked us to record a sound. So what is it? Record a sound. When I click on the record a sound, here my record sound taskbar comes. So I'll show you how to record it. So recorded sound. For that name, I can give a name, recorded sound only, and I will start recording my sound. Hello students. So what's going on? How are you all? Now today we are going to learn how to add your own sound into your slides. Now I have done a small recording. So I'll just play it on it. Hello students. Hello students. So what's going on? How are you all? Now today we are going to learn how to add your own sound into your slides. So I'll just click on OK. Now as I have clicked on OK, there is an image of a sound which comes into my screen. Now when I double click on that sound. Hello students. My whatever recording is there is being started to my Hello students. So what? Okay. Now how you want? the way you want as you click on automatically. Okay, I'll say automatically. Now let us do your slideshow for these all things. So let us do a slideshow. This is my first sound effect. Story.
Subscribe to
Now your own sound.
Hello students.
Hello students.
So what's going on?
So what's going
How
on?
are you all?
How are you
Now today we are
all?
going to
Now
learn
today
how
we
to
are
add
going to
your
learn how to
sound
add
to
your
your
sound into your
slides.
slides. So this way, what all things we have learned? We have learned how to add the sounds, how to insert a video, how to insert a sound, and how to add the transition effect and animation. So these all points we have finished it today. Okay, so this was there for today. What all things we learned? We have learned animation, text and object. After that we have learned the transition effect and how to add the animation. The next, how to add sound or audio. Then next we have learned story. Story means how to add video. We have added a story. Then next what we have learned? Now how add your own sound. So how to add your own sound. So these were the things which we have learned it in the today's session. Now at the final I want to show you the slideshow from the beginning. So let us start for the same. I'll just show you the slideshow of our slides from the beginning. So let us show the slideshow. So here we have given the animation effect along with the transitions to our slides. Then this was the audio sound which we have given. I'll just click on that sound. So as I want to stop that sound again, so I'll just give a click on that sound and we'll go to the next one. That is how to add.
Subscribe to Sonic Octaves.
So this was the story which I have added to my slide.
The name of the story is Clever Fish. One day, a fisherman was...
So I'll just stop my story by clicking on that. I'll go to my next one. Then your own sound.
Hello students. So what's going on? Hello students.
And as I press my escape button, my story will get, or I will come out of my slideshow. Okay, understood students? These points, what all things are there in our animation and how we can prepare our presentation in an attractive way. So this was the lesson animation, text and object for today. So here was one animation effect which we have learned today. So how it was? Was it fun? I know you are going to try it by your own today. So that's it for the day. Have a good day ahead.